Crystal, aka Curly Chris, and y'all be back with another video today, okay? In today's video, we are trying out a new old school, that's kind of awkward, new to this channel, old school products, okay? And the product that I'm trying out today, y'all, I cannot believe I'm saying this. It is the S-Curl products, okay? I am trying out the S-Curl Wave Curl Activator, and I also picked up the S-Curl Styling Gel. Listen, y'all, I done heard some good things about these products, some very shocking things, especially about this bad boy right here. So I'm excited to try this on my hair today. So before I go ahead and get into all the details, if you are new to your girl's channel, okay, if you are not part of the Curly Chris fam, I'm gonna need for you to do one thing. One thing, and that is to smash that button down below. Smash that button down below. Hit it like you mean it. Go ahead and join the Curly Chris family because we have a seat at the table waiting just for you. Alright, y'all, so like I was saying in today's video, ooh, little drip drip. They must know we're using S-Curl today. I am doing the S-Curl Curl Wave Activator Gel. I've seen this on so many YouTubers' channels. I believe the first one that started was Faye in the City. So shout out to you for starting this because I'm excited. Also, y'all, I'm doing a wash and go, and y'all know we don't. I don't do that. Do you hear me? I don't do that. You already know I don't do no wash and goes on this channel. I'm all about twist outs. However, we're gonna try it today because why not? Let's go ahead and have a little fun, okay? I'm just hoping that I'm not like coming to America. Like, I'm just not trying to be drip drip juicy. I hope it dries. Listen, I ain't trying to get no S-Curl, that little stuff where you walk around and it stays wet until you wash it again. I ain't trying to do that, okay? I feel like we all got somebody in our family that still got an S-Curl. I feel like everybody has somebody in their family that still use these products. Somewhere deep down that line, okay? Somebody using this. So I'm excited to try it on my hair just to see what kind of results I get. I don't know what it's going to look like, but let's go ahead and hop right into it. So I got mine from my beauty supply store out here in Austin. I ain't going to say local because if you're from Austin, you know we ain't got too many of these. If you know, you know. So I went to a beauty supply store and I got this one for $4.49, and this is what it looked like. And it looks like it's a gel, but if you like flip it, you can literally see it like running, so you can tell like it's not a strong hold gel. This is the texture of it, like this, and like you can see that it's like not that thick, you know. And then I got the S-Curl Styling Gel because I looked at that consistency of that one and I was like, that doesn't really feel like it's gonna give me a lot of hold. So I picked up the styling gel that goes with it apparently, and this one was $5.99. And the texture of this one is like much more like a gel. So I was like, ha, sis on to something, okay? I feel like this is gonna give me enough hold that I need. So let's go ahead and start applying. If you are a family member, you already know that I put my leave-in conditioners on in the shower, but I ain't used mine for today's video because, woo! I just was like, let me see how it works just with the S-Curl stuff. So we're gonna start with this side right here. So this is what this section is looking like right here. I don't have any product in my hair at all. It's just freshly washed. So we're gonna go in first with the activator, y'all, okay? I got this much. So this is supposed to get the curls activated, get the curls to pop, okay? That's what this supposed to do. It ain't supposed to give you that gel feeling or that gel look. It's supposed to get the curls to activate. So basically, right about now, we should be seeing a difference in my curls. I don't know if I see a difference that much. I thought I had this split into a small enough section, but let me go ahead and split this one more time. Ooh, Lord, we're gonna be here all day. All right, we're gonna apply just a tad bit more. OMG! You know what? The towel said, I don't have time. It could be doing something, but let me see. Hold on. Let me see. Well, that looks nice. Before I apply the gel, I'm going to go in with my Pattern Beauty brush and just try to get a little bit more definition up in these parts, and just to make sure everything's detangled. I'm not seeing like the poppage right now. So let me go ahead and apply a little bit of the styling gel. So here is the styling gel. Oh, now this got some hold, y'all. I mean, it feels like it got some hold. And on the back of the bottle, it says that it's gonna give you hold. Ooh. Call me So Glow. So Glow Ambassador. What? What? That looks good. It feels good. I'm gonna go ahead and like shingle a little bit. I will say it most definitely does have like a little sticky feeling to it. That's for sure. Alright, here we go. Fresh Slate. I only applied a little bit of the so hold up. So this is the before. Okay? Let's apply a little bit of this. Just to make sure. Okay. Now let's look at it. Okay. We getting somewhere. Most definitely, I do feel like it's doing its job with the with the activating. All right, now let's take our Denman. Our pattern. Oof. All right. Now, let's go with this. Y'all, this gel feels so good. Now I see why. Now I see why generations before. See, they knew what they were doing. They knew what they were doing. Okay. They said you can't even get into the club. You hear me? Talk to me. Y'all can't even spell S-curl. Y'all can't even spell S-curl. Wow. Hear me out, okay? The combination that just did the whole, did the doggone thing. The S-curl activator and then the S-curl gel on top. See, I ain't seen nobody use the gel yet. I was just curious. Look, do you hear me? I was just curious. I'm so happy I picked up this gel. Because y'all already know how I feel about eco styling and all that. That ain't touching my hair. You hear me? I'm not sure if this is any better, honestly, but that's my business. Y'all, drop a comment in the comment section below of a story related to S-curl that you or someone in your family has, or an experience that you have had with it. I know you got one, okay? My brother, I remember we were driving in the car, and this boy, we were going to like a somewhere important, and this boy pulled out the whole box. Do you hear me? The whole box of texturizer. The whole S-curl box, okay? Y'all remember when it was like a 2-step or a 3-step system to get your S-curl? Yeah, that was him. I said, what is this? He said, my curl's gonna be popping, sis. Y'all, now I'm in a good mood. At first I was a little hesitant, but now I'm in a good mood. So I'm gonna keep on applying this. But let me just tell y'all, the curls are popping by themselves. You hear me? The curls, look, they got a good little deep treatment. Today. So I'm going in with the activator. But I wonder, okay, this is the last question I'm gonna ask and I'm gonna go. Not go, but I'm gonna shut up because y'all know I like to talk. For the Jheri Curl, is it just the texturizer that you use? I keep saying texturizer. Is it just the activator that you use, or is it the gel as well? Alright, y'all, so I finished the back section. Alright, so we are already shook, okay? So we're gonna move to the front section because y'all know this is like the big tester. Like if it work on the front section, then y'all gonna be seeing more of this, period, okay? Because y'all know this part of my head, if you are not new here, you know this is the trouble kid, okay, the trouble patch. So we're gonna apply a little bit more of this to this section because it's gonna need it. Because she be acting different, like as if she pays rent to act up this way. Like, y'all, this feels like just how like So Glow looks like it'll make your hair feel. Remember in the movie, like when it was just juicy and drippy? Like that's exactly what this activator feel like. So now I'm gonna go in with some of the gel. We really about to have a pop-in wash and go with Jheri Curl juice. Y'all, I am shook right now. Alright, so far it's doing great on my hair. I'm gonna go finish the rest of my head because y'all done basically seen that it's, look, it said no matter what piece of hair you put me up against, I will define it. Okay, so I'm gonna go finish the rest of my head off camera and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna see the final results and everything. Do you see these curls? This definition. Y'all already know the front. The front acted up, y'all. Okay, look right here. The little front two pieces, little few pieces, they frizzy. Y'all know they act up. So we're gonna see how those dry. Because look, they ain't no shock though. They ain't no shock because we all know how the front be acting up. But sis, get into this definition. Shake, sip where? Honestly and truly, my curls are popping. Y'all, I cannot believe this. I am literally shocked right now because I would have never thought that these two products would have done this. But y'all, these curls, honey, did not disappoint. Like, I cannot believe this definition. Like, I'm gonna just get into it, honey. Get into it, honey. Wow. Get into it. Get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry overnight and we're gonna come back and see the results. I may even get it underneath the dryer depending on how I feel. But baby, these shells gonna be empty. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and let my hair air dry and y'all, do we see these results? I am so shook right now. Like, I really cannot believe this because my hair looks that doggone good. Like, the front, of course, is still acting up because that's just what it do always. The front always acts up. But y'all, look at the definition. And what I honestly like the most about these results is that my hair is not hard at all. I'm touching my hair with no oil on this, so let me go ahead and put some oil because y'all know we don't do that. It has a tad bit of like a hold, but not a hard hold. Like, though y'all know I hate hard holds, it does not have that at all. So, look, I can't believe this, y'all. Like, I really can't. I just am so shook right now because I would have never even picked up these items off the shelf, honestly. Because I honestly thought that this was for like S-curls and stuff like that. But it is popping on this natural hair. I'm most definitely going to be using these products again. Like, you can bet on that. But what of course I want to do is go ahead and fluff and everything because this ain't it as far as like volume. We do want some more volume. So I'm going to go fluff and everything and I'm going to come back and we're going to look at the true final results. Okay y'all, so I went off camera and fluffed and also stretched my hair a little bit with my dryer and fam. This is lit. My hair is so soft. It feels so good. Like, I cannot believe this right now. I can't believe these products showed out like that, okay? I feel like I'm mostly surprised. Actually, I'm surprised about both of them because this one most definitely, I do feel, did activate my curls. And this one most definitely made them pop. If you have never tried this gel, baby girl, this gel is lit. And what I really love once again is that it did not make my hair hard. nowhere in the drying process did my hair get hard. It got a little bit of a hold, but that wasn't until it dried completely. Like, my hair never even got crunchy, none of that. My hair is soft, all that, and it's defined. Do you hear me? Defined, and it's soft and feels amazing. So, listen, I'm so happy. Look, S-Girl came through, okay? Lusters. Y'all lit over here because these two products really did something for me. I'm so happy I used them. Also, I want to know, for those of you who say wash and goes take shorter amount of time than twist outs, ha, you're wrong. I feel like I spent more time, or at least equal amount of time, on this wash and go than I do my twist outs. Like, from the shingling to making sure everything's defined, to the drying process, and then to the separating and just like making sure you have volume. Listen, same amount of time, okay? If not more. But y'all, this is lit. I wish the front of my hair cooperated, because it would look so much better if the front of my hair would cooperate, but you can't really tell from far back, which is, I mean, if you all up on me, then we really got a problem. But yes, that is the end of this review. Let me know in the comment section down below if you've tried any of these products I spoke about today, and if you are going to try any of the products that I spoke about today. If you are new to your girl's channel, make sure you smash that button down below. Go ahead and join the family, because we need you here, okay? We over here doing popping stuff, okay? Getting popping results. Do you hear me? Do you see me? Go ahead and smash that button, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video.